Okay, so I filmed at this place before. I actually filmed here on my birthday. Last time I was here. Yeah, I used this new grand there. I'm gonna find a way to put stuff down. Hang on. Just gonna set that down for a second. Open scroll. It actually just shut off. 2024. I think it's a 5-ton. There's this new Goodman. I mean, not new. Ford Goodman. It looks like it's rotting pretty bad. This thing's probably next to go. Oh, it's that one over there. I'll get to that in a minute. Oh, cold air. I don't know what the data is, but yeah, it doesn't seem to be frozen. So, yeah. And here's this grand there. There's the data for it. Logo. Oh yeah, look at that Goodman. It's got an LG scroll compressor. Alright. Now, here are these two Goodmans. This one's actually broken, I think. I know, because these are on the same thermostat. It sounds like it's buzzing or something. Copeland. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this one. It doesn't look too bad, but... Oh, dude, look, there's a smash. This thing's gonna go replaced. Listen. The capacitor's buzzing on it, so contactor's buzzing, so 4-ton 2018, I think. This one's still working great. 4-ton 2018, I think. On really hot air. Copeland scroll. Yeah. This one's broken. Oh, and there's the logo for that Goodman. Looking for that one's back there. So. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that Goodman, but they got my tripod here and try to get one of them starting up. Oh crap, I totally just ran into that. That's funny. And over here, 3 Grandairs and a Goodman. Get it? I know the Goodman didn't get replaced because that's new. Yeah, they're all running. Okay. Here's the Goodman. This little man. Copeland, I think. Seems like it's looking alright. Here's this grand there. This place an old carrier unit. Oh, that is hot air. Yeah, that's hot. I can't see the compressor, but it's probably Copeland. This one replaced an old carrier unit. And then that Goodman actually replaced a granted that it's going bad. It's like, I don't know. It probably had no teeth. This one. thing. Oh shoot, man. Okay, I'm good. Sorry, there was a truck going by. I was afraid I was gonna get caught. But yeah, let me try to zoom in on the segment there. Alright, there you go. That's the best shot. And then this one. Alright. I think that's gonna be it. I can film. There are some, but I think they're in a fence and I cannot reach them. I'll go check, but if I can't get to it, that's gonna be it. Oh crap. Yeah, I forgot to zoom back out. Alright, there you go. Sorry about that. It is a beautiful day out. Yeah, there are some units in the fence here. Doesn't look like I'll be able to get to them, but I'll film this mini split, but that's gonna be it. Yeah, here you go. Little glee. No airflow, pretty much. Oh, that is ice cold. Where's the model? Two-ton. From... do not know what year. Here's the coil. So, yeah, I don't think these are gonna be acceptable, but I'll show you over the fence real quick. Show all the units in there. There might be some that got replaced, but looks like there was one. Yeah. I don't know. It could have just been another one, but I'm gonna head back and then that's gonna be it. I feel some kind of heat. Feels good. And after this, I'm gonna run across the street and get a video of the other units at the other hotel. Right over there. Back of these. These are all in the same thermostat, which is kind of interesting. I don't know why they put the units here. It's like in the middle of nowhere. But yeah, see, there they are, all running. That one has a rattle to it. Oh my gosh, I ran into that same bush again. Oh shoot. Man, there's someone coming. Okay. I'm trying to be extra cautious. I did not get caught. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that one. Yeah. It's grand there. Alright, back up. So yeah, that's gonna be it. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.